Which is better? What do you think? This is going to be super interesting. Cheap Sensen shocks from China. Factory F-body decarbon shocks. Can I do it? No, too big. Oh, let's try this one. Yep, there you go. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, today I'm going to go ahead and replace the shocks, obviously with a little bit of camera magic because I already did it. The stock decarbon GM shocks. Going to show you the differences between the cheap Sensen shock. Whether it's going to be good or bad, who the hell knows? I don't know. We'll find out once we get all the other suspension components put in and then get it for a test drive. But oh yeah, anybody who wants these things, they're still good. Pay for shipping, they're yours. Let's get into it. Super easy to remove. Let's compare, just a quick little comparison. What I did notice between the two shocks, just playing around with it, is that this is super stiff. And I would assume it's called the rebound is a lot faster than this, or I don't know if that's good or bad at this point, but check this out. Oh yeah, that's what you needed. So compare the old shocks to the new ones. This spacer goes right there. Yes, this monkey's got a brain.